What's going on, guys? F32 Mick here and welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video what I'm going to be doing is installing a backup camera from DroidUK. You would have probably seen on my car I do have a reverse camera, but what the situation is, it's for my actual, well, it's a dash cam, a rear dash cam, and I actually disconnected it because it was giving me a few issues, but I've got a new one now. As I said, it's from DroidUK. Thank God for Jav at DroidUK. I did message him and the same day he provided me the actual camera itself. So let me just show you guys. Actually, I'll spin it around here. Let me just move my bag out of the way. So it's in this bag here. Just pop that out for you guys. That's so hard with one hand. Yeah, so here's the unit itself. It's gonna look like that on the car. So you obviously get the handle and the camera itself, and then the wires through it there. And then you get these wires. So these wires are going to go to my Android screen. So just as a disclaimer, Android screen that I've got on my car, it's not supplied by DroidUK. This is my own one that I purchased from AliExpress. I do have a video on this if you are interested, so you can always check that out on the channel. So yeah, as I said, this will go into the Android unit, so I've got to take all of this piece away once again. Bit of hassle, but you know, not too bad. And then there's this wire as well, but you know, as I said, I'll show you guys exactly how to install this whole system. So yeah, what I'm going to do is obviously get stuck in and crack on with it, so let's go. So what I've done is I've stripped everything out. As you can see, everything's off, as you did in the previous clip as well. Now I've actually located the two wires that I actually need. So it's this yellow one here, along with the red wire as well. On my one, it is labelled, it does say camera. I've already stripped the wire. Just need to wrap that up a bit more. And then with this one as well, so this is the one with the actual camera itself. Well, that connects to the camera, sorry. I've stripped the wire on that, and that will obviously just insert into that piece. So what I'm going to do is just wire this all up. What I'm going to need to do is, there's a hole somewhere between there. I really can't get it on camera. Let me just get this out of the way. So yeah, there's a hole down there somewhere. I'm just going to have to get like a coat hanger and wrap it around so it does come out the side like that, and then I can obviously start to route it through. But yeah, what I'll do is I'll show you guys anyway. Yeah, so as you can see in the last clip and what I told you, I did wire it through this bit here, so it pops out of this panel, and yeah, you can see the wire dangling. What I did as well is I routed everything, and I've obviously taped the wire all off, and I've tucked it behind here, so just over the vents, and then you can see like a hint of the yellow cable in there as well. So that's all done up to the actual unit itself. Now what I need to do is wire all of this through the car, which what I'll do is I'll do that off camera, but I'll show you the route that I've taken, and then we can obviously get this installed as well, the actual camera unit itself. So yeah, let's do it. Yeah, so that's now wired up, so I've put it through the glove box, and it comes out here, as you can see the wire there, see a bit of it dangling there, and then I route it all the way through under this, so you see it pops out a bit there, but I've routed it under here, under the seat, behind the seat belt, and then out into the boot, and then let's just go around. And then I've tucked it like under here, so through here, and then I've obviously moved these, so this is what I had to remove. Obviously just get a flathead and just pry it just like, so just pry it just like that, and that will pop off. You've probably seen it in a few videos if you are regular. And then I've caught it through here, so what I just need to do is pop all of this off. Once I pop that off, I can actually get to the handle as well and then install the new one. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. So finally I've got all this out now, so we're just down to the bare metal. What I need to do is disconnect that camera along with taking out the actual handle piece itself. So if you have a look here, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not. Let me just flip my screen. Yeah, so in there you can just see, you can just about see the handle. There's some clips on there. So best thing to do if you haven't done this before is refer to the clips on here. So there's focus to the, is that a clip? Yeah, clip there, clip there, clip there, clip there, and a clip there. You're gonna obviously just need to pop all of them off on this one, and then you'll be able to obviously take that out and then install this in. So I'm just gonna do that now, but I'll do it off camera. Yes guys, so finally got that out, so I can literally just pull that out now. Don't worry about this wire, you won't have it, as that was for this camera. But with the OEM piece, there's this, there's a socket, and I forgot to mention it, but you have to disconnect it. So let me just get the wire. Where is it? This wire here. So you'll need to disconnect that as well, obviously before you actually grab the handle out, but I've disconnected that now. So you can see that's there, and then I've got the new piece. So what I'm going to do is obviously get that slotted in and then push the wire to the side so it's coming out here, so I can get this wire and just stick it at any point, so I could stick it through there and then I'll be able to grab it in, but I'll show you all once it's connected. It'll be pretty straightforward. Yeah. Yes guys, so as you can see, it's now dark. I'm actually doing this on a different car, so it's my mate's F30, the grey one. You would have seen it on the channel if you're a frequent viewer. But with the actual handle itself that you pull out, so your original one, you're gonna have this mechanism on there, so that actually releases the boot. So what you're gonna need to do is just like get a flathead, pop it up, pop it up, pop it up there. There's 2 tabs there and there's 1 there, and then it will just slide off just like that. And then you'd obviously just get your new handle that I can find. Yeah. So you just get your new handle. And which way is it now? It goes on that way. And then you just line everything up. And then voila, just slot it in place and it's all done. So I've got this wire now, and what I've had to do is, let me see if it focuses. Right there. My hands are so cold. But yeah, you got to strip the red wire. With the black one, what I'm just going to do is take that up because you don't need it. So this piece here goes into the red piece, and then once I wire that bit up, I'll plug the yellow into the yellow, and then I should be good to go from there. So I'm just going to do that now and show you guys. Going on from the clip I just recorded, you're obviously going to have the red wire here on this cable, this cable, so the one that ran from the car, and then you're going to have a red wire on that cable as well. What you need to do is obviously just connect them up just like that, and then obviously tape it off straight after, and then tape off the black one. Yes guys, so it's about 2 weeks later now since I actually installed the camera. What the situation is I ran into, well, I wouldn't call it an issue, it's just something that I didn't know. So with my screen, although I'm using a DroidUK reverse camera, my screen isn't a DroidUK one, so it doesn't work like a lot of normal Android screens in terms of the reverse camera function. So what the situation is, I had to install a cable directly from the unit, so it's an extra cable directly from the unit directly to the reverse light wire in the back. So what I'll do is I'll throw up some pictures. So I'll throw up a picture of the wire that you need to connect if you've got my system, that is, along with the reverse light wire as well, so you know what one you need to splice into. So what we've had to do is run the, as I said, the wire directly from the unit straight to the reverse light wire. Now if you have a look here, so obviously it's all behind here, so you can see it coming out here, so that brown wire there, and then you can see it coming there as well. But let me quickly go around to the back as well, just to make sure. I'll show you the route that I've actually taken in regard to this. So it's obviously under the plastic, through here, up here, behind the seats, and then let me just open the boot for you guys. And then you can see the wire at the back there, so that's tucked in behind all of this. And then it's come up here, as you can see, there is some slack in that as well. And then straight to the actual the wire behind this tail light here. It will be a black and blue one. If you have a 3 series, on one side it will be black and blue, and then on one side it will be black and purple. So just bear that in mind. That's only if you have this Android system, so a Bond Road one, or if any other ones are similar in that aspect. But here it is. So as you can see, the minute I put my car into reverse, as you can see, it is there. It flicks in. So it doesn't matter what actual side you're on. So as you can see, this is the BMW side, and I'll put it in reverse. And then as you can see here, full screen. And then I'll just do it from the Android side. So there you can see that there. And I'll put that in reverse. And once again, it will show up there. But yeah, it literally works perfectly fine. But yeah, what I'd like to do is give a massive, let me just turn that sensor off, give a massive shout out to Jav, once again at DroidUK. As I said, he sorted me this camera out, so I messaged him in the morning, and by the evening I had the camera in my possession. So major, massive thanks to him. What I'll do is I'll leave his links in the description, so link to his website, link to where you can get the actual camera unit itself, and yeah, that'll be it. But yeah, if you guys found this interesting and would like to do it to your car, you can just follow this video. But yeah, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Nearly at 2k now, so yeah, really happy. The channel is growing. But yeah, I'll catch you in another video, guys. Bye.